video was pretty short. But anyways, let's go. First up, we have Ruffles. Any kind of flavor is fine, but I recommend this flavor. White cheddar and sour cream is a good flavor. Try it. And yeah. So make sure to like the video if you want to get some of these snacks on your shopping list. I don't know, just do whatever. But yeah, I recommend this one. Next up, I recommend some sort of popcorn. I really like Smart Food. Probably the best popcorn ever. Yeah. Sorry, I dropped my camera. Don't judge me. So, this is white cheddar. I don't know if there's different flavors, but I recommend this one. Not too messy. These are my favorite, but it came off very easily. Like, that's not even from that. It's like permanently on my finger now. Yeah, get this one. So next, we have vanilla wafers. Soup's good. They're not messy, and they're small, and they're not. And they're not as bad as a lot of other cookies. So I recommend this one for this stuff. Now we have kettle cooked chips. These are my favorite. I also like the Lay's ones. Like, they're not kettle cooked, they're just sour cream and onion. I love them. Those ones are better than these. These aren't my favorite. Also recommend the Lay's sour cream and onion because they're basically the same thing. I'm pretty sure they are. So, also recommend this one. Now I have the white cheddar Doritos. Yes, Doritos has white cheddar. If you didn't know, like the OGs out there are just like used to like nacho cheese and Cool Ranch. Like, I didn't know about these not that long ago. My mom likes them, so they're just in our house. So, yeah, they're just all around the house. So guys, this is all for today's video. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, do whatever. Bye!